Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to tonight's market wrap-up. I'm Joe Kinahan, Chief Derivative Strategist with Thinkorswim. Tonight's wrap-up is for Wednesday, May 7th, 2008. Well, the story of the day was oil, and the fact that oil is just continuing its amazing climb. It really is been incredible. We've seen the price double in 1 year. So our theme song tonight is dedicated to oil. And little Jed Clampett. How can you not love that song? I know you all want to sing along. Old Jed's a millionaire. But anyway, let's talk about seriously what happened in the market today, because it was an ugly market we saw. The Dow Jones Industrial Average down almost 207 points. Quite a slap for it. The S&P 500 future, we've talked about the levels in there quite a bit throughout the last few weeks. It closes at 1390, just off its, I must stress this, just off its lows of the day, 1395 and a quarter. Those of you who have been following this for the last few weeks, you'll know what the low of the day was. 1394 even. We've talked about this number time and time, almost ad nauseum, I'm sure, for some of you. But it is amazing how that number we always seem to be drawn to. So 1394 even was the low of the day, and we did bounce back off there, so it's something to keep in mind going forward. It was resistance, now becomes support. Now we have to break through that the other way in order for us to continue to go down. All right, the VIX. We constantly watch the VIX, and the VIX up $1.52 on the day, up to 1973. If you remember, as we were going up, I said we needed to break through 1394 even, and at the same time have the VIX go below 20. Now, if we're going to go down, we need the exact opposite to happen. We need to break 20 on the VIX and break 1394 even on the S&P 500 futures. Gives us some great levels to watch. I would imagine that over these next couple of days, we're going to test these numbers back and forth. It's very, very interesting trade, and I think it's something you should keep your eyes on over the next few days. All right, our sizzler of the day. RHI, Robert Half International, the staffing company. It's where we see our unusual activity, and we see it in the June options with the Robert Half International RHI stock trading 24 and 3/8, if you will. We see the June 22.5 puts, 1,500 of them trade today. Very unusually high activity. Again, here's a stock to keep your eye on over the next few days to see what happens. All right, everyone, thank you as always for joining us tonight. This was a pretty interesting day. This 1394 even level, keep your eyes on it. As always, I'm Joe Kinahan, Chief Derivative Strategist with Thinkorswim. Good health, good trading. We'll see you tomorrow, everyone. Thank you very much.